Good morning, students. Our today's topic is reported speech. It is also called as direct and indirect speech. First of all, I need to tell you what is the meaning of direct speech. Children, when we talk directly with somebody, means the speaker direct words are written or mentioned anywhere, that is called the direct speech. Suppose few examples are given over here. Sarla said, my father has a roaring business in Mumbai. Second, he said to me, I am feeling unwell today. Next, he said to them, who teaches you English? Fourth, you said to her, show me your frock. So children, these are four examples of direct speech. Mean to say, one thing you must have observed over here, sentences are written in the inverted commas. This is the first identity of direct speech. When any sentence is written in the inverted commas, that is the direct speech, the first identity. Look over here, you can see the four sentences are in the inverted commas. So wherever you see inverted commas, you can easily identify that these are the direct words spoken by the speaker. Next point, I want to tell you what is the indirect speech. Indirect speech meant to say when we or somebody conveys the message of one person to another person. Okay, suppose when you say, if your mother has asked you to tell something to the father, okay, then you deliver the message by changing of some words. Okay, so these are called indirect speeches. Mean to say those words are not yours, you are just delivering or conveying a message to the third person. Few examples are over here. Sarla said that her father had a roaring business in Mumbai. He told me that he was feeling unwell that day. She asked them who taught them English. You requested her to show your frock. Mean to say this is the way of indirect. Okay, so here you can observe that inverted commas are removed over here. Okay, so let's study further. The actual words of the speaker given within the inverted commas that I have told you are called the reported speech, means direct speech. In the same way, the verb which introduces the reported speech is called the reported verb. Fine. The in the sentence above said in the reported verb that my father has a roaring business in Mumbai. It is naturally the reported speech. Next few things are written over here. Let's study reported speech and reporting verb. Okay, so here you need to focus on one thing. Read this very carefully. I'm enlarging it for you just to tell that what is the reported verb or what is the reported speech. So children, here you can see that Radha says. I'm underlining this. Radha says, and then inverted commas are over here. Okay, so I have distributed this in two parts. The first underlined thing is the reporting verb. Okay, and this is reported speech. Reported speech. Okay, so like this you can identify any sentence. See the next. Sushma said to Pushpa. This is reporting verb. Show me your dolls. This is reported speech. Have you lost your purse? Asked my mother. So here this asked my mother is the verb and message is in the inverted commas. So wherever message will be, that will be the reported speech. I can give you a gift, replied my neighbor. So my neighbor replied. So this is the verb basically, and commas are over here. So that is the reported speech. Said my grandmother, may God bless you. So whatever is in the inverted commas, that is reported speech. So this is very easy way to identify. Fine. Let's forward. The verb says said. asked, replied in the above sentences are reported verb. The exact words of the speaker given in the inverted commas are reported speech. That I have explained you. Now let's continue our work from here. This is now our work is being started. That is important. So these are the basic rules. How to identify the direct speech. Let's see. Few things are over here. In the direct speech, the reported speech is put within the inverted commas. One thing, the reported speech and reporting verb. See, reporting speech and reporting verb. I have told you over here na how to identify the sentence, what is reporting verb and what is reported speech. I have told you this is the same over here, are separated by the commas. The first word of the reported speech begins with the capital letter. That is easy, I think, for you. Next point is given over here. In the reported speech, we may use any tense required by the sense and any kind of sentence. So this is about direct speech, I have told you. Next, few identities I am going to give you about indirect speech. As in the beginning of this video, I have told you that what is the indirect speech? The speech which is not spoken directly to the listener. Mean to say, if one person is speaking something to the other and message will be delivered to the third person, so that will be indirect speech. So how to identify indirect speech, that I will make you understand before coming on the first rule. Inverted commas are removed. Children, this you will write in your notebooks also. When we make something, I mean when we change direct words into indirect words, that few changes occurs. First, inverted commas are removed. Second, the comma separating the reporting verb from the reporting speech is removed. That I have told you already. The reported speech is introduced by a conjunction. When commas are removed, so we use conjunctions such as that, if, what, why, etc. as per the type of the sentence. Next, reporting verb changes according to the sense. Reporting verb, remember, I have told you. So that changes. The tense of the reporting verb is never changed. This is also all kinds of sentences changes into assertive ones. So mean to say, if any sentence is in the commanding way, requesting way, so we need to make it positive or assertive way. If any sentence is in the question form, we have to change the question form into the normal positive or negative sentence. Last is the mark of interrogation, means if any question is given, okay, so that will be removed. Fine. The mark of exclamation at the end of the sentence are changed into the full stops. These rules you will copy down in your notebook. Next, transformation of direct speech into indirect speech. Rule 1 we are going to do today. Rule 1. If the, that is also will be written by you people in your notebook. First rule. Okay. Rule 1. If the reporting verb is in the present or future tense, if the reporting verb is in the present or future tense, okay, see, I have written something over here for you. This is present, say or says, will say is future. If these two reporting verbs will be used, then the tense of the verb in the reported speech does not change. So take care, this is a very important rule, children. See, few examples are given over here. Direct speech means direct word of the speaker. Rajesh says, see, she has bought a fair name to her family. So children, firstly take care. Rajesh says, this is a reporting verb and the commas lines is reported speech. Okay, reporting verb and this is reported speech. Fine. So as per this rule, I have told you, as per this rule, if reporting verb is in present tense, so the tense of the reported verb, reported speech will not be changed. See, Rajesh says. Says word is in the simple present. Okay, says. Rajesh says is the same, comma removed. See, I am just making it for you once again. Rajesh says. Here comma you can see. and inverted commas you can see. So first rule, we have to remove inverted commas, and this comma will be removed and that is placed over here. Fine. And look over here, has bought, this is same, has bought a fair name to her family. This change is not occurred just because this word says, it is in the present tense. Let's move to the next. I say, I spoiled all my books. See, again it is the present word. So I say same, comma removed, that I spoiled all my books, it is remains same. Rajni says, I am burning midnight oil. Again the very first thing you will just focus on this word says. If it will be present and future, so there will not be any effect on the verb of the reported speech. Fine, I hope you are getting it in this way. Few examples are given over here. Rajni says, this is done. Rohit has said. Okay, this is also in present tense. Has said, as you have learned tenses, present perfect, it is also in present. So cannot word will not be changed, only the subject will change, subject as per the speaker. Fine. See, Rohit has said, comma, inverted comma start, I cannot displease my friend. So Rohit has said, this is same, comma removed, then we have put that over here. I cannot displease, so here he cannot displease to his friends. Children, few more sentences are given over here that you can practice. So few things will be done, or the other rules will be done in the next time.